AI engines don't read your page from top to bottom. They extract specific sections, and most pages that I see are getting this wrong. So here are 3 headings that AI extracts first. So if these headings aren't dialed in, your content won't get cited, and no matter how good it is, AI is not going to see you. This is Kevin Roy, and today I'm going to show you some easy page heading tips that are going to help get you cited in AI engines. So first, I think it's important to talk what a header tag is. We're going to talk about H2 tags. So let's start with an H tag. The first tag, your H1, is your header tag. So think about like your old term papers that you had to write. The title is the main header. That's the H1 tag. The subheaders are your H2 tags. So the things that talk about the sections of your term paper. Then you go down to H3, H4, and so on. But we're going to talk about H2s today. So heading number 1, this is your first H2. You want it to directly answer the query. So what AI is looking for, it's looking for a clear answer block, not your intro, not your brand story. The first H2 is usually, what is this topic? So why this matters? So AI wants an immediate definition. What you shouldn't be doing is understanding the importance of this topic, an introduction, why this topic matters. So remember, your first H2 is for machines, not silly fluff for humans, but don't worry, the humans are still going to get the point. This is to make sure that AI cites you. So heading number 2, this is your second H2. This is how it works, or the process breakdown. So what AI is extracting, they're looking for step-by-step explanations, bullet-friendly logic, so cause and effect structure, pieces like that, examples that work, and I'm going to use answer engine optimization for this example. So how answer engine optimization works, or how AI engines evaluate page structure, how to write schema to impact rankings. So why this matters is AI answers, they're looking for follow-up questions, and this section feeds those secondary prompts. AI doesn't just want the answer, they want to understand the mechanism. Number 3, your third header, is the comparison. So AI loves comparisons, distinctions, decision-enabling content. So examples of that, your topic versus a related topic, when to use option A versus option B, is your topic better than alternative? Why this matters is the AI systems answer judgment questions. This is where citations start to happen. So if your page doesn't help AI decide, it's probably not going to quote you. So some common mistakes that I see are like clever or vague headings, too much marketing language crap that humans love and AI doesn't love. So basically, if I have to reread it to understand it, think about this. AI has probably already skipped it. So here are a simple page formula for this whole thing. H1, that's your main topic. Your first H2 is what is this topic. Your second H2 is how this topic works. And your third H2 is your topic versus alternatives or secondary pieces. So this structure alone fixes more AI visibility issues than most tools will for you. If your content ranks but isn't being cited by AI, it's usually a structural problem, not a content problem. So subscribe for AI and AEO and GEO search strategy with Sammy. Thank you.